Hi everyone, welcome to Money Keyword Finder. I'd like to run through and show you how quickly and easily you can create a keyword list and have the keywords analysed into money keywords without having to analyse any data at all. Now it's amazingly quick, and I'll just show you quickly now how I can do that all within about 10 minutes. So what we'll do to start with, we'll just click create a new project. Okay, so what I've decided to do here, I've already just put these in, is do a project on coffee makers. So we have a project name, a project description, and we have a master project list. So I've called them each the same. Now what we're doing here in this example, we're importing the data from Google, Yahoo and WordTracker. Later on I'll go through and show you how you import data from other keyword tools and any list you might have. So we'll just move to step 2. Okay, so all we do now is we've got coffee makers up here, we just click import. Okay, so after a couple of minutes we start getting keywords back or research results back. This is generally the longest part of the process because we can sometimes get back 800 plus keywords. So I'll just pause the video for a couple of minutes until it's completed, and then we can move on. This generally could take 4 or 5 minutes, probably about 5 minutes, just depending on a number of things in regard to internet speed. But I'll just pause this for a couple of minutes and we'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, we have just about 800 keywords, which is just listing down here now. And we'll see if we'll collect any more. Generally, it's around about between 800 and 900. So we'll just see. So no, we've got everything. So we've got finished importing keywords. So we just click OK. Now you can search, or you can change the order. You just need to click on the column at the top, and you can change the order of that completely to search numbers or the keyword phrases in alphabetical order if you want to do that. Once that's done, all we do is click move to step 3. Okay, and when we get to step 3, what we see is our keywords are being analysed or finished being analysed. Much of the analysing process happened in the previous step, but we're still working through this here. We'll just come down the column and see how far we're through this. You can see most of them are already analysed. Okay, because that was done, as I said, that's been done in the background of the previous step. So let's see what we've got. Yep, we're all completely analysed. So that's all done in the background there. So okay, with our analysis completed, the next thing to do, we just move to step 4. So there's nothing more you have to do here at all. We just go to step 4. And as you can see, we've now got our 800 keywords all categorised and listed into the different categories of excellent, good, fair, and poor. Now, in case you want to know what these columns mean, it's just a matter of clicking on the question mark at the above the column, and you'll have a full explanation there as to what these keywords are. So, if we're looking at creating content for our sites, we obviously focus on the keywords that are listed in our excellent column first and utilize those because they're really our best money keywords by far. Once you've utilized those if you're creating articles or whatever you're doing, then you move on to your good column and utilize those. Then you can move on to your fair column, and don't neglect the keywords in the poor column, because the whole blueprint is designed so that you can set your priority as to what keywords are going to potentially make the most money for you, right down to the ones that are toughest to rank for. So as I said, we just have by clicking on there, you have your instructions as to you can see. I just won't move my camera there, but it says these keyword phrases are not quite as easy to rank highly for as your excellent keyword phrases, but still have a huge high money making potential using these keywords. And just follow those instructions. As you can see here, you have an excellent chance of ranking very highly and making money using these keyword phrases. So it's all there for you. You can save this as a CSV file or as a text file. You can give it to your writers or anybody you want and get them to follow the keywords in the excellent column first, working through then to your keywords in the good column, fair, and so on as a last priority. But it's all there for you. Now you can also use a filter here. You can put let's say we want only the keywords that are drip filters, so we'll put drip. Okay, so we put filter on. Okay, what that's done is it's filtered out all the keywords except every phrase that has the word drip in it. Now if we want to get back to our normal list, we just click the filter off. And we have our complete list back there once again, all listed. Now, another feature of Money Keyword Finder, if you right click, if you pick let's say Dual Coffee Maker, if we right click on Dual Coffee Maker, what happens is you can see here that we have Dual Coffee Maker. There's 1,000 searches. Now we can search ClickBank, we can search eBay, we can search Amazon, Pay.com or associate programs, and we can find products related to Dual Coffee Maker. If I won't do it now, but if we put Amazon and we click go, a web browser would open up and we would see all the products for Dual Coffee Maker. We can also search relevant web pages. We can go to Bing, Yahoo. We can see YouTube videos on Dual Coffee Makers if you want to. Just a matter of choosing which one you want. We can find all the articles on Dual Coffee Makers in these the top half a dozen article directories. And we can search also, try to find blogs in relation to coffee makers or podcasts, even forums, and of course Wikipedia. So you have everything right in front of you. You can search for affiliate products. It's all here. It's just a couple of clicks away for you to do that. So it's really that easy, and that can be done, as I said, with any keyword. Braun Coffee Makers, we can right click on Braun Coffee Makers. You can see Braun Coffee Makers, there's 1300 searches. Now we could go to Amazon or eBay and find Braun Coffee Makers, find out what they're selling for. We could do anything we really wanted there. We could go to one of the article directories and have some articles written about Braun Coffee Makers. We could just see what's written there before. We could find YouTube videos on demonstrations of Braun Coffee Makers. So it's all in one place here with Money Keyword Finder. It's just so easy. So now you have all your keywords sorted. They're all ready, and as I said, you can save it as a CSV file or as a text file, and you're ready to move on to your next project. So it is that simple. So keyword research really has never been any easier than this. So I hope that's given you a really a great idea of what this software can do. As I said, it's so easy. Anybody new to internet marketing and novices, this is just so much easier than every other tool that's out there, and you'll never have to worry about trying to analyse all that data again. It's all here done for you quickly and easily. So I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.